What's up? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Java chip slime. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, the red button down below. And without further ado, let's just get started with this video. So first, starting off with the materials, you'll be needing a bowl and a mixing tool. You can use Elmer's Glue All, but I'm just going to use regular Elmer's school glue. And then you'll need some lotion, shaving cream, food coloring is optional, some borax solution, and Java chips. Alright, so I'm just going to start off by putting in some glue. And then I'm going to add some lotion. Just 2 to 3 pumps of that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the shaving cream. And just give it all a mix. And I forgot to add in, but you could add some water as well, just not too much. Next, you will want to add your food coloring, and I'm going to be using some yellow food coloring. Once it is all mixed in, you can go ahead and activate it. You can start kneading once you think the slime is forming, and if it's still too sticky, just add some activator. But you do want to keep the slime just a tad bit sticky so it could stick onto the Java chips. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Also hit that red subscribe button, the big button down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!